How to fix an Outlook error 500. So this is what it usually looks like when you have the error 500 in Outlook. So it says 500 and then something went wrong and then repeating redirects detected. So the first thing that you can do is that you can click refresh the page right here so that you can see if it automatically fixes the problem. So if not, this is because there might be a problem with the server in Microsoft, and then you can just wait a few minutes or like a few hours to see if the problem fixes itself. So if you still have the problem, what we can do is that we can do some different solutions. So the first solution that you can do is that you can delete your cache files for Outlook right here in your browser. So just click the three dots right here, scroll down, click settings, and then from here, you can go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies, click see all site data and permissions. Right here, type in Outlook. And then you can go right here to microsoftonline.com, and then you can delete your cache files right here one by one. Or if you want to delete them all at once, just click delete right here. And then keep in mind that when you do this, it will delete site data and permissions for microsoftonline.com and all sites under it. So what will happen is that you will be signed out of your account in this website. Any offline data will be deleted. Your chosen permissions will be removed. And then you can go ahead and click delete. And then what you need to do is that you just need to sign in to your Outlook account again and see if the Outlook Error 500 is not there anymore. So if you still have the problem, what you can do is that we have a different solution right here where you can reset your internet connection. So go to search, type in command prompt, and then click run as administrator. From there, click yes, and then you just need to enter the commands right here. So the first one is ipconfig flash DNS, and then the second command is this one, netsh winsock reset, and then netsh and IP reset. We'll just copy this, paste it right here, and then copy the next command, paste it right there, copy the third command, paste it right here. And you need to restart the computer to complete the action. So after that, if the Outlook error 500 is still happening, what you can try to do is that you can change the DNS server. So to do that, go to network connections, click view network connections. From here, go to your internet connection. So maybe if you're using an Ethernet, or maybe if you are using Wi-Fi, so just right click on that, click properties. From here, go to IPv4, click properties. From here, in the DNS server, use the following DNS server addresses. So there are different types of DNS server that you can use, but for this video, for example, I will use the Google public DNS. So you just need to type this 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. So go back right here, and then 8888, then 8844. Click OK, and then close, and then you can try to run Outlook again to see if it fixes the problem. And then that is it. So those are the different solutions that we can do to fix the Outlook error 500. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.